Hi everyone, it's Lynn Smythe from the Creative Cottage. Today I'm going to be going over this bundle of CB jewelry that I won in an online auction from ShopGoodwill.com. A few months back I had won a bundle, I think a 5 or 6 pound bundle of CB jewelry, and I think I've gone through that a lot in the video, but I ended up bundling it up into these jewelry bags. I think there's like 3 or 4 pieces of CB jewelry per bag, and I have them listed for about $22 or $24 each on eBay, and I've sold a few of them. I accept best offer, so I would probably accept as low as maybe $15 or $20 per bundle. And I think I got about 20 bundles, so even if I sold them on the low end at $15, that would be a $300 return, and I can't remember how much I paid for that larger lot. Anyhow, so this lot I have now, I think I'm gonna either do individual pieces or maybe if I see like a bracelet and a matching pair of earrings, or a necklace and bracelet that kind of match up, I might list that smaller bundle. So anyhow, this is all like Native American style CB jewelry. This is type of jewelry I used to make back in the day when I had a bead store, and I sold at the bead shows and wrote how-to articles for magazines and taught classes. Anyhow, I don't really work with tiny beads anymore. Just, you know, I just turned 60. My eyesight and coordination are kind of going. So I do some basic bead stringing and beaded macrame jewelry work still. But this stuff, I see it now, and I just, I buy it, I think it's beautiful. So this is a loom woven bracelet, kind of a leopard skin print. These are really tiny. I don't even think these are size 11. These might be size, like, what is it, 14 or 15? Really tiny. And it's got this self button clasp. It's adjustable. See how there's 3 different loops, so you can adjust it for your wrist size. And then I've got a whole bunch of these bangle bracelets. This style, sometimes I have a hard time wearing myself personally. You know, I have a normal size wrist, maybe 6 3/4, 7 inches, but I've got really like wide hands. Yeah, see, that one I could sort of get on by rolling it, but it's not the easiest, so I'm not going to try all those bracelets on. I don't want to accidentally break them, but they're real pretty. I'm not sure. I might sell this as a wholesale lot, unless these bracelets match with any other stuff. So is it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? Are there any more in here? So that might be a nice wholesale beaded bracelet lot. I think this is peyote stitch, like tubular peyote stitch. Like I said, I used to make this stuff myself, so not totally foreign to this style of jewelry. It's just very time consuming to make CB jewelry. These beads are so small. Again, this looks like another loom woven wide bracelet. It's got the little beaded bead closure with the loops. This one has 2 sizes of loops, so it's slightly adjustable. Again, I could sell this as a bundle, those 2 bracelets, unless I find some earrings or something else that matches. This is a really fun bracelet. This is really, really small. Wow, look how small those seed beads are. Tiny, tiny. This has a really cool clasp, sort of like a, what do they call it? Ship's clasp? Sailor's clasp? This one, I think this has a tag on it, so this is from a design house, and it's so tiny I can't even see that with my jeweler's loop. Hang on for a second. Oh, looks like it says 925, so this could be vermeil, where it's some sort of carat gold on top of sterling, so I'll have to do a little bit more research on that, but that's a real nice piece. Put that over there. I think I have a bunch of earrings in this bundle, so I might use my little jewelry rack here. Here's another bracelet. This one's also loom woven, but it was done with stretchy cord. I have one of these types of looms where it makes like a continuous wrap with a stretchy cords. That's fun. Very nice. Go with a lot of items. These I'm not sure what they are. They kind of look like coasters. It's wire. It's these look like very vintage sea beads to me. But is that what it was supposed to be? A coaster? Or is this supposed to be used in some sort of necklace or larger project? Let me know in the comments if you know what this is. I've never come across anything like this before. Most of the sea bead jewelry I have, it's made with just regular thread like Nemo or Ceramide, you know, that waxed cord. But this is all wire, so I'm not sure if this was supposed to be part of a larger assemblage. I guess I could Google Lens and see if anything comes up, but I was a little confused when I saw it. Here's another piece, which is Huichol beadwork, and I'm mispronouncing the technique. I think it's Huichol, something like that. But this is with stretchy cord. Normally I see these done with the Nemo cord or the wax cord. But this is stretchy, so very pretty colors. Like kind of like a choker. So that's cool. I think I've got some earrings that might go with that. So that might be a 2-part bundle. And got another one of these necklaces. This one has a tag on it. It says 925. This, that looks like base metal, but these bead caps, those almost look like they could be sterling silver. So another piece I'm going to have to do some more research on. Like I said, when I do these unboxings, I just want to go quickly through and show you what I have. I list most of this stuff on my eBay and Poshmark stores. If you don't see it listed, because this will take a few days for me to actually go through and decide how to list this all up, and then I have to take pictures and upload it, etc., etc. So you can always reach out to me. That's my eBay store, but you can always reach out to me, sales@thecreativecottage.net. Let me know which video you're watching, a timestamp, and a brief description. And if I sell it to you, if you buy anything from me through YouTube directly, I can cut you a deal. I don't have to pay the seller fees like I do on eBay. I don't have to pay for promotional listings. So I can cut you a deal if we sell on YouTube. And shipping starts at $5 for addresses in the United States. The only downside of buying from me on YouTube is I only ship to US addresses. If you want international shipping, I do that through eBay, because actually eBay handles all the paperwork for me. It's much easier. I've only been doing this for a couple months. Haven't quite figured out how to do international shipping on my own. Anyhow, here's another beautiful beaded bracelet. At first glance, I thought it was loom woven, but looking at it up close, this is peyote stitch. See, loom woven, how the beads are parallel. Peyote stitch, it's kind of like they're offset. So this is flat peyote stitch, which is a little bit different technique, but it's the same beaded bead closure with a couple loops so you can adjust the size. That's really cool. And oh yeah, I knew I had a couple of rings. This is a little Christmas theme ring, some glass crystal beads, and then just the sea beads. And is this stretchy? No, it's not. Let's see. Got a ring mandrel. And it is sort of adjustable because it's sea beads, but I'd say about 7 3/4 to size 8, right around then. That's cute. Yeah, let's see if I can find the other ring or if it's buried in this pile. Yeah, a bunch of, oops, here's another bracelet. I'll add to that wholesale bundle. Ooh, I have a couple of ornaments. These I might keep. I think these are really cool. I've never seen little ornaments like this. So this is the tiny, tiny sea beads. This looks like peyote stitch for the wings. Yeah, it looks like it might be peyote stitch. It's a little hummingbird. I thought this was real sweet. A little nice little fringe. I thought the wings. And then this one is a cactus with flowers. I thought that was awesome too. So hang them. Oops. I'll hang them up here for now. Nice. And oh, I'm running out of space on this video. I've got to delete some pictures and videos on my phone, so this is gonna be really quick. So this is fun. This is looks like peyote stitch base, and then you just add loops of beads, seed beads and some larger accent beads. So that's really fun. And there's the closure, 3 loops, so it's slightly adjustable. And then this looks like daisy chain. Oh, an elastic cord. I think this is what, like the slave bracelet? It's like the bracelet with the ring. I guess that's the effect they're trying to get. I haven't seen that before. Here's like that other stretchy choker I showed you. The one that's the primary colors, and this one's kind of turquoise and bronze. But again, it's on the stretchy cord, which is interesting. Kind of makes it one size fits most. Here's a really pretty bracelet. These are some unusual colors. Nice fuchsia, purple, turquoise, green, a black background. And this one has these like little seeds, some sort of seed for the closure, and then the loops. And this is just a plain strand of beads. This one's fun. I've done this technique before. It's you do, this is like some sort of spiral rope they did, and then you go back through and you add the fringe, and it's graduated fringe, so it's shorter by your neckline. Here's the closure, mother of pearl, and then it's adjustable. And then as you go down closer, as it goes down towards the middle, the fringe starts to get longer and longer. This is very time consuming to do this, so I really appreciate the amount of work that went into it. It looks like some sort of little, what is it, shell or white quartz beads at the end of the fringes. Kind of gives you the effect of coral almost. Put that there. And I think, yeah. Oh, this is a little butterfly bracelet. How fun is that? See the butterfly? And there's the beaded bead and the loop closure. Put that there. Earrings, I'll start putting those on there and try to match them up. Oh, this is a piece de resistance for this bundle. This is beautiful. So this one I'll list on its own, and probably I'll have to research, maybe $40 or $50, because there's a lot of work that went into it. Look at all these layers. Beautiful flower, and look at this fringe. Just a fringe took a lot of time to make. That is gorgeous. I have to try that one on later. That might be a keeper. These are Native American style beaded earrings, but it looks like, I'm not sure who made them, but made in China. Wow. But it's very kind of Native American inspired pattern. And oops, that's that bracelet. Here's some, this is with wire, these earrings. Put those over there. Here's another kind of daisy chain necklace with this little motif. It's like 3D, very Native American. Ooh, these need ear wires. What is this, Frida or Carmen Miranda? I'm not sure. Very nice, very colorful, but yeah, I've got some silver or gold tone ear wires in my jewelry making supply box, so I'll just pop those on there before I take my pictures. And so this is another one, like the red one I showed you with the daisy chain and the little motif. I might bundle these up together, sell those two pieces together. And oh, here's another bracelet. So I'll add this to the growing wholesale jewelry lot. Here's another choker, very pretty. And it's got the loop and the beaded bead closure. I gotta wrap this up. I'm coming up on 15 minutes and it says I only have 19 minutes left battery. So, this I'm not sure. I think this will almost stand up on its own. I'm not sure what that design is. If anybody knows what this is, please let me know. It's kind of solid white on the back and then all kinds of colorful, but is this more of a Indian, not Native American, like the country India design? I don't know. I'll have to Google Lens this and see if anything pops up. But if you know what it is, just shoot me a comment. A little stretchy bracelet. So this kind of goes with that. I'll probably sell this as a bundle, the choker and the bracelet together. You know, once you do these unboxings, it kind of makes sense, some of these bundles. And like, see here, this is a bracelet that matches that necklace, so that'll be a bundle again. The lobster clasp looks like a base metal to me, but the bead caps look like they could be sterling silver. A little pair of earrings, just little crystals, like silver lined seed beads and bugle beads. Put these on here, there. Here's an interesting pair of earrings. It's just little beaded tassels, very bright festive colors, and these little acrylic or resin roses, pierced earrings. It's a little bit different. I'll just put these there for now. Here's this matching earring. And here's the other one for that wire earring. And what else do I have? I have these black and white earrings. Here's another daisy chain necklace. Real sweet. And what's this? A little bracelet. Looks like they did a little pouty stitch tube, then a strand of seed beads and pouty stitch tube. And there's the closure. They did more of a toggle closure, and it's got multiple loops, so it's adjustable. And here's some white and gold seed bead earrings. It might be the last item. Or is there one more pair of earrings? Hang on. And this. I thought I had the match to this one. Maybe it got stuck on something. Not sure. Let's put this there for now. So I'm at 18 minutes and I'm about to lose battery in another minute. So that's real quick, my latest online auction win of seed bead jewelry bundle that I won at ShopGoodwill.com, and I'll be listing many of these items on my eBay and Poshmark stores. So again, Lynn Smythe from the Creative Cottage. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.